So, just a short one today. Get mail from my new mill, which will be sit here someday if it arrives. And this is the smaller one of the mill vises I ordered from Vevor, and I'm very excited to see it. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Yeah, that's a swiveling base, and I don't really need it or like it, but it was in the price range. So let's have a look at this body. Yeah, it's maybe about 14-15 kilos. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, I have got to check it. Okay, let's see what it can do someday on my mill when it arrives. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, G.